Commercial break. Hey y'all, it's Emma here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Transcend 131 DL. And guys, we know that y'all can find this camper anywhere in America, but what you can't find is another Cookeville RV and Marine. We are family owned and operated, so just go ahead and skip those corporate guys and come to a family owned dealership that you can trust. Also, check out our Google reviews. We have over 1,000 of them and we have over 4.7 stars. So if you want to read those before you come in, check them out. Before we get started, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. Let's get into it. We've got a small but mighty camper, guys. This one is something that you definitely want to check out. We have a awning that covers the whole entire camper, and we've even got an LED light bar underneath that. We also have indoor-outdoor speaker system, so that's awesome if you're on the campground and want to listen to some tunes. Speaking of being on the campground, we also have an outlet right here, so if you want to set up a nice outdoor area where you've got your table and your TV, you can plug it up right there. And if you want to bring your dog outside, we also have a leash hitch for him, so you can hook up your dog and he can hang out with the whole family. On our off-door side of the camper, we do have some nice storage right here, and we also have our convenience bay, which is perfect whenever you pull up to the campground and want to hook up all of your hoses and things like that. Everything's going to be right there. As soon as you walk into this camper, you're going to see over here that we do have our control panel. So this is where you're going to be able to control your awning, the LED light underneath it, and even our main light switch here in the camper. We also have our indoor-outdoor speaker system right here as soon as you walk in, so that's super nice. So if you're hanging out outside, it's not super hard to get to. We also have an outlet that's right next to this area here that you can use as a buffet or just kind of as a table that you can throw your stuff on, whatever you need it for. And you can even use it as a coffee station if you want and plug up your coffee pot or even your electronic devices and use it as a charging station. It's perfect for whatever you need it to be. In your small but mighty camper, right next to the entryway, we do have our super nice couch. This even folds down so you can do some good movie watching and have your snacks over here and even your drinks with this nice cup holder. We also have our hidden table underneath here. So that's the table I was talking about. Whenever you go outside, it comes with it, so that's super nice. Or you can even pull it out, set it right here, and have a table for all of your food after you've cooked your really good meal. We even have some more storage space down here in this drawer, and this drawer is actually a hidden pet dish. So this camper is pet friendly, which I love. Not only is this a nice couch, but it also converts into your Murphy bed. We even have lots of storage space up here for all of your clothes, shoes, blankets, anything you need to throw up there. It's perfect for that. And we even have a closet space right next to me that's shelved, so you can put anything you need in there as well. Let's not forget our charging station back here. We do have an outlet as well as a USB-C port. So if you need to charge your phone at night or anything else, you can do that over there. And we also have a nice outlet and another USB port on this side as well. So if you and your partner have phones or anything, you can both plug them up right here, no worries. Across from our Murphy bed, we have our kitchen area. So this may be compact, but you've got everything in here that you might need. So let's start up here with our spice rack. If you have a couple of spices, you can throw them up there. But we've even got more storage space up here in our cabinets. And this is a massive space for your pots and pans or anything that you have that's larger. It's going to fit in there. Your plates, your cups, anything that you want to bring to the campground. We even have our nice paper towel holder right here, so it doesn't have to be on the counter taking up room. So that's nice. We also have an outlet right underneath our cabinets here. So if you're not seeing one, it's right underneath there, so you can plug up all of your appliances or anything that you need to. We have our nice 2-burner stove right here, and we even have a microwave underneath that, which is super nice. We have lots of space here for cooking or food prep, just whatever you want to use it for. And we even have a nice little sink over here that has a built-in soap dispenser as well. We even have an area right here that's perfect for your sponges or even your towels if you want to throw them right there. It's the perfect space for it. And we have even more storage space right here that's perfect for some little cookie trays or anything you need. And all of your cooking supplies can fit in here as well. Let's check out what's across from this. Across from our kitchen space is this area that we were talking about previously that I've already showed you, but this is also a spot that you can put a TV on that's right across from your couch here, so that's perfect for that. And we even have a nice outlet up here as well for whatever you want to use that for. This is where you're going to find your fridge. This is a nice size fridge for all of your beverages, condiments, anything you need. And we have some more nice space here for your pantry, snacks, or anything that you need to put in there. Let's check out our bathroom. In our rear bathroom, we have lots of room for all of your towels, wash rags, anything you want to keep in your bathroom. We do have a medicine cabinet with a nice size mirror, so that's perfect for getting ready and everything like that. And beside of that, we even have space for your makeup bags, anything you want to put right there. It's perfect. We even have some nice space here on your vanity for getting ready to put your hair tools on, and you can even plug those up in the outlet that's right across from that, right next to your sink. Underneath your sink, we also have lots of space for your paper towels, your toilet paper, your bathroom towels, anything you need to put there. And we even have a nice cabinet underneath your sink that's perfect for a small trash can if you don't want it rolling around in your camper. We even have a foot flush toilet, and above that we have a nice towel hook that's perfect for your towels or robes after you get out of the shower. Let's check out that shower. Across from our vanity, we do have our shower. We have a nice removable shower head, so if you've got a muddy dog or anything like that, you can just hose it down. And we even have some built-in shelves right here that's perfect for your shampoo, conditioner. It's all right here. So if you're interested in this small but mighty Transcend or any other Transcend from the Grand Design line, be sure that you give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.